Test drive the 2016 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, trip odometer, heated steering wheel, airbags, front, center, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.